The first thing we do is we try and cover the top rail. And so I've measured, this is the 1.5" C-square, which will cover the slide out portion of your lift. And I've cut two, and they're both 36 inches long. I've measured the distance to be 36 inches and cut them with my fillet knife. And now I'll attach those bumpers. Now to continue covering the top rail, I've measured this a full round bumper will fit here. And I've measured it's 26 inches. I want to extend it across the back end. But to do that, I'll have to notch my bumper. So I put my bumper up and I discovered where I would have to notch it. I've used my fillet knife. I've cut the bumper and I'll put it on to extend past the end of the lift. And there's one on each side. So again, I've cut the other side identical to that one. So I can fit this bumper on the top rail. And now I'll continue along. I can put a full round bumper across the back. And so I'll do that. I measured that distance. It was about 24 inches. Cut it with my fillet knife. So I'll add that bumper. So now I'll begin to look on my lift for the rest of the spots that I can put a full round bumper. Of course, it looks like I can add one here. And because I want to extend past this joint, again, I've taken this bumper and notched it so that it will fit over this joint. I also can put a full round bumper in this area right here. And so I've cut two the appropriate length. So now I also can put a full bumper in this area right here. So I've measured that, measures 56 inches. So I've taken my fillet knife, taken a full round piece with the appropriate inside diameter and cut it at 56 inches. And now I'll attach that. So now I'll try to identify any other areas where I can put a full round bumper, and I'll put one there also. And now I'll begin to utilize my C-square bumpers and attach those. I wanted to finish coming across the top, and I wanted to extend a little beyond the end because I wanted to protect the corners of this bumper. So I took my 1.25" C-square and I cut a notch so that I could attach that. And then I began to look for other areas where I can put those C-squares. So this is pretty much what we at Mantec would consider full coverage of your lift.